What is going on, everybody? My name is Barry. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm excited. I am excited to install something that I've been holding on to for 9 months. All right, I've been here in Germany for a year now, and I bought something before because I thought my front lip, which is now fixed, I thought that was gonna be repaired quick enough, but it wasn't. So I just held off on the install because it's kind of weird to have side splitters without a front lip. But like I said, I got side splitters, and here, let me show you. Maxton design because well, I just wanted something flat, something simple. I wanted something that can go along with the body line really well, so gonna go for this. But today the video is about installing flat, well, not really flat. Today's video is about installing side splitters. All right, to be successful, you're gonna need the Lexus screwdriver. You just gonna need it. I've already done it before, but you're gonna have to remove the little tabs here, the plastic tabs. You can use your Lexus screwdriver. Let me show you how. And come on, bam, now you got the flat part. Okay, once you do the flat part, do the whatever you gotta do, or use the little plastic prying tool, and you got the one back there. Okay, that's a little Phillips. Actually, sorry, Phillips right there. And then you have 3 underneath. Then I'm gonna show you my little 3-year, almost 2-year-old wrap. Actually, like 2.5-year-old wrap. You're gonna want to remove these. Okay, remove this, remove this, remove this. Now, I would be very, very careful because you don't want to mess it up. But gonna have to get these out some way. Okay, see that? You're gonna want to enter from this side. Same with this one. Enter from the right side of it. Farther side. Come on. Probably need some nails or something. But once you remove that, bam, you're gonna remove the screw that's right there. But for me, I've always kept it uninstalled, or the screw, so that way I can do this. Quick release. All right, and voila. Use my butt, close the door, and I got me my sides. Look, my side skirt. Now, do I recommend doing whatever I just did? I actually do not. But that's just how I do it, because I like to have a quick release for my side splitters so I can get access if I ever needed to get a jack underneath to do what I gotta do. To start this, I got the side splitter on some wood blocks just to elevate it. But what's cool about this Maxton design is you see this little ridge line right here? Yeah, this thing apparently just like fits perfectly. I mean, it's supposed to fit perfectly, but it just falls in line, which is pretty cool. This makes it easier. And then I'm gonna have 3 spots: one right there, one right there, and one right there. Because there, and there. That'll be my 3 mounting, and then I'll eventually find a way to mount that on the ends right there. So now I'm gonna use a little screw, mark the things, and then just start drilling and making holes. Okay, I think it's marked. And I got a mark. I think I got a mark. In there. So now I just make some holes. I got my stainless steel. Gonna try to measure it up, make sure it works. Do this, yeah. What sucks is that, you know, having help would definitely help. Having some help would be awesome. But you know how it is sometimes. No friends. No new friends. Let's see if this works. Gotta make the hole a bit bigger, but that's okay. That's what this one's for. So, make some more small holes. Okay, that's one hole there. Let's see if I can get it into this tiny one over here. Okay, and I got my holes. Got all my little small holes. Oh shoot, made extra holes. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna make some more small holes. Now I'm gonna work on making this a bigger hole. That came out pretty good. All right, let's see. Hopefully this is the correct hole. Alright. Okay. And I think this will be a hole right there and a hole right there, but yeah, we'll see. Nope, gotta make a hole bigger. Got a washer. Got my stainless steel. Put it through, and it's in. Got that one in, and that one in. What I'm using is stainless steel, Mike's M6, which is a 10mm, should be. And it's a 10mm stainless steel nut. And then it's a M6 times 25mm length bolt. So should be 10mm. Yep, 10mm. I gotta say, so far, so good. Maxton design. Alright, I like to think I got it pretty aligned. Now it's time to do the drilling. Okay, well, that went through for that, but I'm pretty sure I have to make the hole bigger. Same for the backside. It's aligned pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna choose a spot. Probably gonna choose right there. Okay, now let's make the hole bigger. Okay, yep, perfect. Perfect. All right, now it's time to get the backside and then tighten everything up. And that right there, folks, is a Maxton design splitter. The reason why I kind of chose this too is because one, is flat, gives it a clean look. Two, it's ignore that, I gotta fix that. But two, it's flat and it could stand by itself. That's what I like most about it. Okay, now it's time to do surgery on the other one. Time for some surgery. All right, same thing. Gonna place that on top of this and just make some holes. One thing about this lip is that it comes with some sort of protective and step. Oh, that would look cool, but nope. Ah, there you go. But I made the holes from my previous holes. Now I'm going to make them bigger. All right, now let's get the front ones and we install. I got the middle three Done. Now I gotta do the ends. It's just a little easier to tighten it so that way it just doesn't move. So it's aligned. I hope it's aligned. And now to drill the hole. And we are done. Okay, yeah, I like it. Not bad. So it gets a little, it doesn't get too tricky. It's pretty easy. You just gotta put it on one side first. I usually do the vent first, and then afterwards, that's when yeah, just do the vent first. Temporarily. Yeah, you can't really see it. I need to put it in the sun, but yeah. Okay, same with this side. See, it's been awesome. You can just keep standing. I think that's the best part. Sorry, car is pretty damn dirty. I don't have a hose here. And it is on. Okay, ignoring the dirt, it looks pretty good. I think it's because it's black and a gray car. I think that's why it complements each other. Not bad, not bad. So far I'm liking the look. Got a front lip and I got side splitters, and I got myself a front yard motorsports homemade diffuser. F it, screw it, looks good. I like it a lot actually. But yes guys, that's how I did it. So you're gonna want to put the middle first. Well, one, you're gonna take it, I recommend taking it off. 2, nuts and bolts, no tap screws. I don't like tap screws. 3, you want to do the middle part and then do the ends. But it's best to have a drill. It really helps to have a drill. And then, I mean, of course, that's impact. That's a 10 millimeter. So again, I use Mike 6, all right, or M6 times 25. But the length of the bolts is actually a little bit long. I recommend doing M6 times 15, something shorter. You don't need that long. So, but yeah, looks really good. And I got my front lip fixed. I really like it. I really like it a lot. But anyways guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked and learned something. But I'm gonna do more installs. I have more installs coming, so please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next one. Peace.